Now let's talk about the power of acids and bases. Now, the strength of an acid or a base is determined in terms of pH. Now, pH is a German term which means potent, which literally translates to power. Now, whenever we want to decide the power or the strength of an acid or a base, it is determined on the basis of H plus ions and OH minus ions. The more the OH minus ions, the more is your substance basic, and the more you have H plus ions, more is your substance acidic. Now, to measure your pH, you have a scale. This scale is called as a pH scale, wherein it starts from 0 and goes up to 14. Now, the more you move towards 0, the more acidic your substance is, and the more you move towards 14, your substance is basic. And when it is at 7, it is neutral. Now, if you look at your body, there are many things in your body which range from acidic to neutral. Starting from your gastric juices, it is at 1.2 pH, which is highly acidic, and that gastric juice in your stomach is hydrochloric acid, which is used to break down your food which you have eaten. Now, these acids and bases, they play an important role in our day-to-day life, and we've already said this. But how? Let's have a look at this. Now, if you look at your blood, it ranges between a neutral range, which is 7 to 7.8. But what if you have a pH of your blood or of your body which goes down? One dreadful disease that we have today is cancer, and the cancer cells, they thrive at a pH of 6.8. So, if your body moves towards acidic, the chances of getting cancer is more. Apart from that, we have something called as acid rain. Now, acid rain is when the pH of water goes down below 5.6 pH. Now, let's talk about the soil which is in your backyard, and what if you are farming over there. Now, pH also plays an important role when you're farming, as some vegetables need a specific range of pH while others need another range. There are some vegetables which grow pretty well in an acidic media, whereas some grow in a basic media. Now, the acidity and basicity of the soil also has an important role to play when it comes to the color of the flower. Some flowers turn red when they're subjected to acid soil, and the others turn white when subjected to basic soil. Now, let's talk about your tooth getting decayed. Now, when you have a pH of 5.5 in enamel, what happens is you have higher concentration of acid, and that is when you have your tooth which starts decaying. Now, there's also that whenever you are stung by a bee or an ant, you feel some kind of a burning sensation. Now, these bees and ants, especially soldier ants, they have a sac which contains formic acid, and this formic acid is quite acidic, and hence you feel that burning sensation the moment you have been stung by a bee or by an ant.